Hi, let's be simply well informed. Time to test your brain. What's the correct choice with this 25 present tense verb A1 to A2 level questions? Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. She blanked to school every day. Go, goes, going, or gone. She goes to school every day. Number 2. I blank breakfast at 7 a.m. Have, having, has, or had. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. Number 3. They blank football on Sundays. Plays, played, play, or is playing. They play football on Sundays. Number 4. He blank coffee in the morning. Drink, drank, drinks, or drinking. He drinks coffee in the morning. Number 5. We blank in a small town. Lives, living, lived, live. We live in a small town. Number 6. My cat blank on the sofa. Sleep, sleeps, slept, or sleeping. My cat sleeps on the sofa. Number 7. You blank very fast. Run, runs, ran, or running. You run very fast. Number 8. He blank TV in the evening. Watch, watched, watches, or watching. He watches TV in the evening. Number 9. I blank my homework every day. Does, did, do, or doing. I do my homework every day. Number 10. She blank to music after school. Listen, listens, listened, or listening. She listens to music after school. Number 11. They blank coffee more than tea. Prefer, preferring, prefers, or preferring. They prefer coffee more than tea. Number 12. We blank the meaning of this word. Doesn't understand, don't understand, aren't understanding, are not understand. We don't understand the meaning of this word. Number 13. I blank this food tastes strange. I'm thinking, thought, think, or thinks. I think this food tastes strange. Number 14. My parents blank in London. Live, are living, lives, or living. My parents live in London. Number 15. He blank a new phone because his old one is broken. Want is wanting, wants, or wanting. He wants a new phone because his old one is broken. Number 16. Does she blank coffee? Like, liked, likes, liking. Does she like coffee? Number 17. They blank always at school. Where, are, is, or was. They are always at school. Number 18. Blank she okay? Where, are, is, or was. Is she okay? Number 19. Blank you have any brothers or sisters? Does, are, do, or is. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Number 20. What blank you do on the weekend? Does, are, do, or is. What do you do on the weekend? Number 21. She usually blank to work by car. Goes, go, is going, or going. She usually goes to work by car. Number 22. What time blank your brother usually wake up? Do, is doing, doing, or does. What time does your brother usually wake up? Number 23. I blank my keys every morning. Forget, I'm forgetting, forgets, or forgotten. I forget my keys every morning. Number 24. Blank your parents speak English. Does, are, is, or do. Do your parents speak English? Number 25. Why blank you always late for class? Does, are, is, or do. Why are you always late for class? Great job! Comment your scores below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing. See you in the next video. Thank you.